So my name is Gabby and I have plans to thru-hike the Appalachian Trail in 2022. I am a full-time freelance writer and then also a travel blogger. So I'm currently hiking up to Lookout Rock above Fontana Dam, and I am doing it on the Benton-McKay Trail. So fun fact, this part of the trail actually used to be part of the original AT, but I believe that changed in the 1970s. So yeah, let's go. And this part isn't too steep, but this has been a pretty steep hike so far. It's been pretty rocky, lots of roots, and the leaves actually make it kind of difficult to see the trail. But I've been looking out for the white diamonds that show you on the Benton-McKay. This is a steep climb. I'm definitely out of breath. This trail basically just goes straight up the side of this mountain and it keeps going. So yeah, but I'm already starting to see, not sure if people see it on camera, a little bit of a view between these trees. So that's good. Out there in the distance, you can see Fontana Lake and Fontana Dam. It might be a little bit hard to see on video. I also just realized that you can see like parts of Fontana Village from up here. So I think that is the tennis courts. But yeah, pretty cool. You can actually see Shucksack Fire Tower way out there in the distance. I didn't think you were going to be able to see it from here, but you actually can, which is really cool. Thank you for watching this first YouTube video. If you want to follow along on my thru-hike or just any other videos, please like this video and subscribe. There will be more to come.